In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho One CRM tool for email marketing. We are going to walk through a simple workflow using Zoho campaigns, starting with importing your subscribers from Zoho CRM and ending with sending or scheduling your first email marketing campaign. As you follow along, keep an eye on the buttons and menus on your screen because the exact placement may vary slightly depending on your account layout. First, open Zoho Campaigns. This is where you manage all of your email marketing activities, including creating campaigns and tracking results. When you land in Zoho Campaigns, take a moment to look for the main dashboard or the campaign area. You should see options for creating new campaigns, managing existing ones, and accessing your mailing lists. Opening the correct section at the start matters because it helps you avoid going back and forth while you build your campaign. Next, import your subscriber list from Zoho CRM. Before you create an email, you need recipients to send to. In Zoho Campaigns, look for an import option or a way to connect or bring in contacts from your Zoho CRM data. Since your subscribers already exist in Zoho CRM, this step helps you keep your audience consistent. As you import, pay attention to which list or segment you are bringing over, and make sure the contacts include the information Zoho needs, such as email addresses. Once the import completes, you should see your audience in the subscriber or audience list area. After your subscribers are in place, create a new campaign. Choose the option to start a new campaign, and then you will be asked to select the type of campaign you want to run. For this workflow, you will be building an email marketing campaign. When the campaign creation screen opens, select a template. Templates give you a starting layout for your email design, including sections for text, images, and call to action buttons. Picking a template now saves time and helps you maintain a clean, professional look. Now, customize your email content and configure sender details. This is the part where you shape the message your recipients will see. Use the template layout to add your subject line, main content, and any relevant calls to action. Also, review the sender details carefully. This typically includes the sender name and the sender email information that identifies who the message is from. Taking a moment to check sender details is important because it affects deliverability and how recipients recognize your brand. Once your email content looks right, select your recipient list. This is where you choose which imported subscribers will receive the campaign. In Zoho Campaigns, you will see options to pick a list, audience, or segment. Select the recipient list that matches the subscribers you want to contact. If you have multiple lists, be sure you choose the one intended for this particular email marketing message. This step ensures your campaign reaches the right people and not the wrong audience. Finally, click Send Now or Schedule. At this point, Zoho will usually show you a review or confirmation view, so check that everything is set correctly: the content, the sender details, and the recipient list. If you want to send immediately, choose Send Now. If you want to plan for a specific time, choose Schedule and set the appropriate send time. Scheduling can be especially useful if you want your email to arrive during a specific time window for your audience. That covers everything you need to know. You opened Zoho Campaigns, imported your subscribers from Zoho CRM, created a campaign with a template, customized the email and sender settings, selected the recipient list, and then sent or scheduled your campaign. And that is all there is to it.